Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and in present I am working with Lexis and Company as a legal intern. And my today's topic is the laws prohibiting dowry in India. Dowry is a phrase there are very general and not unusual place in Indian household. It is an exercise that grows to the parasite for Indian society and which has eroded the lovely organization of marriage. It isn't always a brand new exercise, however, been accomplished from ages, and its effort is such in Indian society. And However, it can be completely eliminated. Several legal guidelines have been enacted to limit the exercise of the dowry. However, the felony clutches are weaker than the ambit of the exercise of the dowry. Further, the item shall enumerate the social and felony effect of the training dowry alongside its different diverse aspects. What is dowry? According to the Section 2 of the Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, the time period dowry a method any assessed or precious protection has not been agreed as given or agreed to receive both immediately or gratuitously by and second by first by one celebration to a wedding to the alternative celebration to the wedding by the figure of both the celebration to a wedding or through another man or woman to the both celebration to the wedding or on the another man or woman at an earlier than dower or meher inside the case of individual to whom the Muslim personal law Shariat is given and who might the preparator beneath the law regulation. According to the section 3 of Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, it's miles and offense to take dowry and supply dowry, so the own circle of relative if of bridegroom might be accountable for taking dowry. Bridegroom might be accountable for taking dowry, so might the own circle of relative or bride be to consent to present dowry. Legal framework in India for prohibiting dowry Prohibition Act 1960. Penalty for giving and taking dowry. According to Section 3, if any man or a woman after the graduation of the act offers or takes abates the giving or taking out dowry will be punished and an imprisonment for a time period now no longer much less than 5 years with the high quality which shall now no longer be much less than 15,000 rupees or quantity of a fee of dowry wherever which is greater. So now we have came to the one point in that the we will study the uneducation to ladies. Many households do now no longer supply precise training to their daughters with the nation of saving the cash getting used for training for use for the reason of dowry. Often the ladies are subjected to intellectual harassment due to the being of darkish color, fat or another lack of the bodily look like a fat or a mother or a father or the loved ones assume that the marry numerous dowry and regular name calling and statement no longer vastly mentally harassed. So now we will conclude our topic. Dowry as an exercise is deeply rooted in Indian society and it can completely eliminated. The primary purpose that this exercise can't be eliminated is mentality, notion and attitude of Indians. In India, boy is exceptionally knowledgeable in order that the mother and father can call a big dowry for him within inside the marriage. The greater knowledgeable the person is and that is his dowry. Similarly, the mother and the father here to the wealthy own circle of relatives, they aren't hesitant in giving dowry due to the fact this exercise has now grown to be a custom or regardless of many legal guidelines. Totally few percent of the offender are convicted. This social evil can best be eliminated while there might be an alternate within the mentality of the humans when humans are any apprehended that giving taking and dowry is like promoting your daughter and son can form, then the roots of the exercise might begin eroding and the exercise shall be get eliminated. However, the length appears to be very a long and a long way or off. So thank you friends, and I hope that you liked my video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. And thank you friends, and have a very nice day. Thank you.